Hello and hi, welcome to our 4-bedroom tour house. Today we are in Kajiado County where we are going to show you our precast house. Guys, as you can see, we are at our facade. Well done. Even beyond the view precanit of it, you can visualize and see, guys, it's going to be a beautiful scenario over here. So join me in as we see what we have along. So this is the front porch, guys. As you can see, the steel doors are well made, security good enough. Coming, this is the living room, big enough. There's a lot of space, guys, as you can see, but we are coming back to that. So we first see what is in here. I'm sure most of you, and especially ladies and also gentlemen, they are those of the final touches. This room here is specifically for that work. When you look at this, the lighting is well done. There's a huge window over here that's going to assist you in your lighting. As you're doing your final touches, your makeups, you need to move on, you have guests, you need to rush to the market or small so-called that. We have that room for that. So let's go to the master ensuite, and first we're going to start with the bathroom, which is big enough. Here, I think, guys, you're gonna put your toilet over here, rain shower is going to be over here. You can still utilize this side of the wall. You can fix something over there, guys, or here. You choose it by yourself. The light in here, the window is huge. The light is going to penetrate through natural light over there, guys. And then we go to the master bedroom. This is huge enough. This is where the family, the main master, man and woman of the house, this is how they are going to reside. The space is ambiguous. It's huge enough. Over that side, they can do their cabinets, or they can still choose where to do their cabinetries, guys. But what I love about this room, it's spacious enough, and it's going to give them good ideas. However they want to fix it, they can still do it, guys. We move to the other side. They have their security door over here. As you can see, still well done. We have our back porch. This space, this back porch area, it's going to give them a good view of the other side of their compound, guys. So we still continue moving. So this from the master bedroom, you can access now the living room over here. The security still, they have made it to the point. We give flowers where due. The living room, guys, is spacious. When we speak about spacious, this is what we call spacious enough. So they can choose, they can do their TV area on either this side. Yeah, apparently, if I was the one, I could choose this side of the wall. So guys, the room is good enough and big enough to give you ideas whatever you want to fix, or either even this side. The security over there, the camera person can join us. If you see the lighting of this house, the windows are too huge enough to enable the light to penetrate through, guys. It gives the room a viewer's visualization. So we continue moving, guys. On this side, we have the dining area. The spacing is also good enough. Before that, we have our bar area over here, of which you can decide if you're on this side of the dining room, you can interact with the other person from the kitchen, and still the other person in the kitchen can interact with you, guys. So it makes the room have a certain vibe. So we move on to the kitchen. Guys, this is a huge beautiful kitchen. Even if it's ongoing, you can visualize and you're able to see that it's going to turn out to be a beautiful kitchen. We start with the windows here. The windows are well done. Your sink, you can choose your sink to be here, so as you clean, you can also see what's going on. The worktop, they are huge enough. They give you space, and especially as we ladies, we like to multitask, so you can move easily. You can fix your cooker over here. Still, guys, this space is huge enough for you not to complain. Still another worktop area done there. The cabinets can be done on the other side, guys. So as you're able to see, there's a good space as you can interact with yourself and also the people over here, guys. This is amazing. You can choose to do your fridge over here, your freezer. So it gives you an interaction within yourself. You can able to play wrong with your mind and see what to do, where and how. Guys, we keep moving. There's another room over here. This is the kitchen store. So if you want to do some mandizi, banana, you know, we ladies, we love going to the market and getting some things, so you don't want to put them to the pantry room, you can choose to come and do it over here. Guys, the lighting, the security has been well done. Flowers were due. We continue moving. This house is amazing. This is our pantry room. Guys, the cabinets can be well spaced over here. So as you see, these spaces, there's a huge space, so you can choose to do them on this side and the other side. And then the lighting is good enough. The window is tall, so it enables the light to move in freely. Guys, as you can see, you're getting more ideas. This is the most catchy room that has caught my attention, the laundry room. Guys, a room by itself, and then there's the washroom inside. So when you're in the kitchen, you do not have to go and access the toilet from the other side. So you can still come in and use this room. When you're doing your laundry, you can also use this room. So that is one thing that has caught my attention. Still, when it comes to the windows, if you can see, guys, you can do your washing as you check. You see, there's a vibe in the room, so I actually love this room. We continue, guys. We see the other side of the house. Guys, I'm sure you can see what I'm seeing. It's a vibious house. It's giving you some vibe to want to stay in this house more and more. So we come to our bedroom space. This is our first bedroom. I also love the lighting in this room. The windows are huge. So when on this side, you wake up in the morning, you see the view of the Ngong Hills on the other side. It's making the room have a vibe. I'm sure you can adhere to that, guys. And then there's it's an ensuite room. So there's the toilet and the washroom in here. Big enough, the window still. The security, guys, high security, big space here. So we move to the second bedroom, which is here. The spacing still in this room is huge. You can fix your cabinetries on this side or this side. You can put your bed at the center. It gives you the feel of a room. And then you have your washroom over here. Huge lighting, well done. Guys, I'm actually loving the security that has been maintained with the windows and the door in this house. So we move on. So this is the last room of the house, guys. As you can see, we are now doing our roofing. We're almost done with the whole project. We've only remained with the electrical works. We've done plumbing. Don't forget to continue following us so that we can give you more excitement of how the project is going to end, how we're going to do our finishing, everything. Kila kitu kwa hii boma lazima tuoneshe. Continue following us, subscribe and like. Thank you.